Billboard Hitmakers.
Go, Breeze.
Listen to the raindrops song. Have you ever listened when the rain start falling? Yeah. Have you ever listened to the raindrops falling? If you ain't used to bad weather, it might do you bad. Remember, everybody in the world wanna ball. Right after the sun stops shining, yeah, that's usually when the rain gon' come. Have you ever listened when the rain start falling? Have you paid attention to the raindrop song? When I was up, I bought my bitch Chanel purse, not Michael Kors. 25,000 just to go browsing on furniture and decor. Only asked you to order this painting that I saw that'll make us more, and the rest is yours. You ignore it, greedy bitch, stupid whore. My mama always told me son, one thing for sure, when it rains it pours. I didn't listen, but I remember my mama's story. It played back in my head on my 18th birthday, stuck in prison. For 2 years of my life, the rain was pouring. Have you ever listened when the rain start falling? Yeah. Have you ever listened to the raindrops falling? Boom, boom. If you ain't used to bad weather, it might do you bad. Remember, everybody in the world wanna ball. Right after the sun stops shining, yeah, that's usually when the rain gon' come. I can afford to keep. I can do Miami, Panama, Orlando, I can do Florida week. I don't eat no beef and no chicken, no pork. I figured out more to eat. My priorities in order, see. The money mean more to me. The money mean more. I done been poor, I got a door to feed. I like to find the things in life, and I can afford the things. Got on that new Valentine tonight. I know you notice me. These niggas bogus, these niggas hopeless. I know you hope it's me. Stacking my money on poster bitch. Stacking my money on. My man sent the money, say he got it back coming. That was 3 months ago, he still waiting on the pack to come. Have you ever listened when the rain start falling? Yeah. Have you ever listened to the raindrops falling? If you ain't used to bad weather, it might do you bad. Remember, everybody in the world wanna ball. Right after the sun stops shining, yeah, that's usually when the rain gon' come. Have you ever listened